Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best camping chairs that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Coleman. The famous Coleman camping chair is one of the most popular camping chairs available. It has a nice padded seat and back panel, is spacious enough to fit most campers, and is easy to fold and carry. What are our criticisms about the Coleman Large Quad? The materials are suitable but not spectacular. For example, the frame may rust if you don't take excellent care of it. It also lacks a built-in cooler. But, overall, we believe the Coleman exceeds its price tag and provides ample seating for most persons and uses. It has a wider seat, a higher seat height, and a more upright back, making it easier to get in and out. However, you wouldn't want to transport this over great distances, and the metal frame will rust if left outside in the rain. At number 4. GCI Outdoor. Although many of the chairs on this list allow you to swing back and forth, none come close to the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker compared to a typical rocking chair. This is accomplished through a spring action tube at the back of a chair that allows the steel frame to rise or fall as you push off the ground. When it's time to leave, the chair folds smoothly with its connected carrying handle, eliminating the need to jam it into a tote just on the way out. Even though this freestyle rocker has a handle for carrying, it is one of our list's biggest and bulkiest alternatives. Furthermore, several consumers have complained that the rocking system becomes squeaky and loud after only a few usages, and the spring action mechanism feels notably less sturdy than the remainder of the chair. Whereas the freestyle rocker doesn't have the same level of overall build quality as some of the other options, it's still an enjoyable way to spend a day at camp. GCI also manufactures a lighter kickback rocker, a unique pod rocker, and a summer-ready shade structure rocker, among other things, if you enjoy the rocking function but want something a bit different. At number 3. Kajaro. Due to its outstanding levels of comfort and value, the Kajaro's dual-lock foldable model is one of the most famous camp chairs on the market. As the name implies, the chair holds in both open and closed modes for stability and easy transport inside the stuff sack. The Kajaro is a powerful challenger in our leading grouping of car camping chairs. The seat height is the clincher for us, and the reasons the dual lock is ranked here. The Kajaro has a comparatively high ground-to-seat elevation of 20 inches, which can cause some people's feet to dangle off the ground. However, for some people, this is a bonus, and the wide and comfortable seat and the low price make it a good camping option. Because of its superior construction and supportive design, the Kajaro Dual Lock is an exceptional value camp chair. When folded, this chair is a little hefty and cumbersome, and both the chair and the luggage have useful shoulder straps for easy transport. At number 2. Kelty. Other designs on this list are designed for just one person, but Kelty's low love seat is a great camping alternative that can also be used as inexpensive patio furniture. It's also a comfortable option, with a broad, double-wide, and comfortable seat that's slightly reclined, excellent details like adjustable armrest and warm drink holders, and sturdy steel and 600 denier polyester construction. Keep in mind that the seat is just 13.5 inches from the ground. Most camp chairs are nearer to 18 inches, but the low love seat is solid and still very easy to get in and out of. The cost is also a major concern. You can discover two chairs that are similar in comfort and save money in the process. But there are a few drawbacks to purchasing a double-wide model. First, the Kelty low love seat is quite hefty, weighing in at over 15 pounds, and even though it rolls down easily and has many grab handles, this chair is somewhat unwieldy to transport. Some people will dislike Kelty's low-slung design, albeit it is available in a normal version with a 19-inch seat height. On the other hand, the low love seat is well made if you need a double chair and don't mind the accompanying trade-offs. At number 1. Helinox. The Helinox Chair Zero is one of the greatest solutions on the market if portability is crucial to you. It just weighs a pound and packs down to the size of a plastic bottle in a stuffed sack. When comfortable is a priority, we even bring ours on hiking trips. The nylon scooping seat supports your spine, gently reclining, and is the perfect height for the legs to extend easily. The Helinox Chair Zero is a great option if you want maximum portability without sacrificing comfort. The camp chair is the gold standard for all four-legged adventure seats with its aluminum construction and lightweight fabric. It weighs just over 1 pound and has an 11-inch seat height, giving you plenty of room between your back and the cold, hard floor. The chair not only collapses to a size small enough to fit in a bag, but it's also incredibly simple to put together. The frame comprises one 10-style shock cord pull mechanism, and the seat is made up of one piece of ripstop polyester. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.